It's your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson. We have Brooke here with us this morning, and Brooke is a gymnast in her younger life, and now she's a gymnastics coach and helps coach her daughter, who is also coming in here for chiropractic adjustments. And so today, this is Brooke's very first chiropractic experience. I've already done her orthopedic neurological evaluation and case history. Was that thorough?
Yes.
Okay, so let's show them how we do this. I want to check your posture first of all. Let's have you flex your head forward and backwards, please. And then neutral. And see, I could tell Brooke was a side sleeper because her head's turned to the right. Pelvis is shifted a little bit left of center on the x-axis. Okay, so I'm going to start off adjusting her on the Biophysics table here, face down. And we're going to adjust her left SI joint first because her left leg's a ½ inch shorter than her right leg. When I bring it up, it gets about a ¼ inch longer, and that tightens up a little bit in her low back and thighs. And then when I palpate the left SI joint, that's tender, huh, Brooke? Mm-hmm. Okay, so we're going to adjust her left SI joint first. The sacrum right in the center on the right side, and then the right SI joint. You notice I'm using different angles on these SI joints. And then L5 is straight P to A on the Z axis. There's L4, L3, L2, and then we're going to work our way up into the, actually I'm going to adjust that on the knee chest. Go up a little higher there. That's what Maren felt earlier, huh? Okay. You're going to feel your head popping up a little bit here. Yep. Good. Okay, let's turn you on your back. Being a gymnast, you go through a lot of trauma, huh?
Yeah.
Yep.
Hard work.
And being a coach even, you said.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm bringing your head up and over your thoracic spine. Good. Now let's have you put your arms straight out to the sides, palms up. Adjust your AC joints, your sternoclavicular joints, and your costosternal joints. Good. Okay. Now just relax. Okay. There you go. Should have felt that from your knee all the way up to your hip and back.
That's fantastic.
Yep. And this is one you've had most of the hip pain in, right? Nope, that's not it. There we go. Try it again. Just let this go. There we go. Okay, that was a little better. Okay, let's hit you up, face that way now. There we go. That's it. Yep, crack ice gonna love you. You're noisy everywhere. There. And which thumb bothers you the most? That one? Yeah. It's okay to pull it straight out. You don't want to pinch them together or jam them. And you going backwards with it's probably why it's inflamed. But pulling it straight out like that's fine. Does that, you do that occasionally? Mm-hmm. That help it?
A little bit.
Yeah.
Just need to stay off of it. That's hard to do.
Okay, let's come over here on this table. I see you're too young to get this done, but your mom's not. Okay, let's lay you on your back with your pelvis right there and head up that way, please. This is going to feel tight. There we go. Just relax your hands right here if you'd like to. Okay. Nice deep breath. Yes, ma'am.
Oh.
Now you should have felt that all the way down.
Oh my God, yes.
Yep.
That's crazy.
small adjustment. So is that.
Yeah, that's good.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Home run. Now this is your very first adjustment, right? So you will be a little sore like a new workout. That's
Okay.
normal. Now lasts from 0 to 72 hours. Just turn sideways and come over here and stand in front of the mirror now, please. Okay, so I'm going to have you close your eyes again and bend your head forward and backwards again. That's already better range of motion. And back to neutral. Take a look now so you're not turned to the right as badly. Pull this up and back though. This is your homework.
Okay.
Now hold them there for me. And then flare those here. Oops. And then see, bring that head straight back here to the right turn. So we're going to do exactly the opposite of that. This is the adjustment I was telling you about that changes the cerebellum. I'm adjusting the atlas on the x-axis, which sends a neurological bombardment of information into the cerebellum. Helps neurospinal learning. Okay, let's have you flex forward and backwards, which is also called neuroplasticity. Now that should have felt smoother that time. Very good. So Brooke, you brought your daughter in here first to get care because she's a gymnast and she was having back pain, neck pain issues. How has she done so far in her first 2 treatments?
Much better.
And how did you feel with getting your very first adjustment?
I feel awesome.
Feel better than when you walked in
Oh
the door?
my gosh, yes.
Good.
1000%.
So you'd
Great.
recommend parents getting their children in to get chiropractic care?
Absolutely.
Yep.
She feels a lot better.
Because they have spines too. I got an old saying, only the spineless don't get adjusted. And both of you guys got a spine. That's good. All right. This is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, coming to you from Advanced Chiropractic Relief in Houston, Texas. We'll see y'all soon.